This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the game is up to date and that you have at least one extra input device ready. Once done, plug in controllers and power them on. Make sure Windows or console recognizes each device. Then launch Goat Simulator 3 and choose a profile. This initializes controller inputs. You do this because the game maps players at startup, so completing these steps first prevents input conflicts and speeds the next configuration stage. Next, inside the game, navigate to Settings and find the Multiplayer or Controllers section. Toggle Local Split Screen on. Once enabled, go to the main menu or character, select Screen, and instruct each player to press the indicated Join button on their controller. Make sure each controller registers a unique player number. If two show as player 1, replug the second controller or remap inputs. This step assigns viewports and splits the rendering across multiple players. Finally, configure the visual layout and performance settings. Pick horizontal or vertical split in display and lower per player resolution if frame rate drops. Once set, save and start a short session to verify each player has control and visible HUD elements. If the second player fails to join, unplug and replug controllers, restart the game, or check for conflicting overlays. If stuttering persists, reduce resolution or switch to full screen borderless to stabilize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.